Alright, people, well, it's been a couple weeks, but we got some patches glued down here. I had to put some patches in quite a few places. At this point, it probably would have been easier to just rip the whole thing off, but what we're going to do now, we have all these patches in. We're going to lay full sheets all from front to rear, covering all these gaps, all these joints. Just give it a little more stiffness, if you will. Be using an adhesive. Both sides of the wood. Put the wood down. We're going to, come back off the front 2 foot, so that way all my joints all the way down are going to be covered with new full sheets. And that's where we're at today. Hoping to get 2-3 sheets down here, and then I got a little bit of patching to do in the back there. So just a little update. It's been a couple weeks. Let's get to it. Well, okay, here we are. It's been a couple weeks, but we're re-roofed, new wood. Vent. First one's the vent, second one's the air conditioner. I've had to replace so much wood on this roof that I decided to run full sheets front to rear. So at this point, just got a couple screws to put in here and there, tighten things down, sand the edges around my vents so that there's no sharp edges. And in another week, we'll be putting the rubber on. So all in all, it's taken me just a little over a month to get to this point. Only working on the weekends. Let's go on down. Let's go on downstairs here. I'll show you what we did inside, depending on it's a nice shot of the roof. Now the front, the rubber's going to go under that front housing, and then in the rear here it's going to come over this lip. This is all smooth, which it wasn't before. This is a smooth transition, so the rubber will be getting glued to this metal out here. Come on down here. And show you some of the work we've done inside. Like I said, this garage was pretty messed up with the way they had it done. So it's not the best lighting in here, but 3/4 of the garage, almost 2/3 has been redone. I did crack this piece when I put it up, but it seems like it's okay. Trying to fold the luan between these cabinets with the cutout for my vent, it split. I have this board up here just to kind of support the roof while I'm walking up there. And then up front here, It's kind of dark. It's not going to be the best. But this front has all new wood. This was all rotted out. It's not the best. You can't see. Maybe when I put some light in here, I'll show you that again. But vent, cut out for the vent. Here's my light that needs to be attached yet. So that's where we're at this point. And it's coming along pretty good. I think we're going to make our time schedule here. Like I said, next week we putting the rubber down and gluing that down, getting the fixtures put back down. I got new vents. I have to order the rubber. We scratched the plan of the air conditioner back here. I'm just going to put a vent in. Really don't need an air back here. We're just going to reuse the unit up front. But everything else will be brand new. So just to bring you up to date where we're at now. Wood's down, a little final prep. Like I said, I want to run some sandpaper over these edges so I don't have any sharp edges for the rubber, because the rubber will fold down in. It'll be inside the butyl and the lid, but I still don't want it to cut. So we'll sand these edges, clean the termination strips up today, and we'll be ready for rubber next week. We'll check back in with you when we get the rubber. All right.